Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted to bake with you. I actually got this at the store and was thinking we should try and make some. It looks delicious. It mixes lava cakes and Oreos. That just sounds delicious. So let's go and make ourselves some Oreo lava cakes. While we're waiting for the oven to heat up, we're going to grease our little muffin pans. Well, they're little tins. They're not muffin. Well, they're just little where we're going to put the lava cakes. But make sure we get them in and out on the sides. And now we're going to set these aside and go make our mix. That is the 1/3 butter that is in our microwave safe dish. And it's ready to go in to melt. And just like that, it's all melted and very hot, so we need to be careful. And I'm adding in the mix. Okay. Now to stir it, I'm gonna mix it in really good. Now that it is blended pretty well, we need to take this and microwave it for 20 seconds. So we'll see you in a few. That didn't take too long, and now to add the eggs. Eggs added, and now time to mix. That is a really good looking batter. We're about ready to add them to the tinfoil cups. Let's go. Now all we're doing is spooning in. It's at about 1/3. A little bit more. And then it said, actually, let me give it a smidge more because I don't feel like that's 1/3. There we go. That I feel is a lot better. Then a spoonful. And there you have it. Keep going, and we're going to fill them all. They're ready to go into the oven. We'll see them in about 12 to 15 minutes. See you in a few. Just came out of the oven and now they need to cool. Now we're going to take our knife and loosen it just to make sure that it's all not stuck when we go to flip it over in a second. All right, I flipped it on. You think it... Oh, beautiful. Now let's bite into this thing. These smell delicious. My goodness, so much chocolate. Let's taste it. Ooh, look at the ooey gooey. Oh, look at it. That is delicious. Just give me a minute. This is so good. Those were so delicious. Oh, I cannot wait to make those again. They were super simple and very easy to make. Well, friends, I always have a great time when you're around. And remember to keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie. And that would be me. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more and more fun.